Hey everyone, it's Will from Blur here. In today's video tutorial, you're going to learn how to create a virtual credit card on your computer for online purchases using Blur by Abine. And there's actually a few different ways to create a masked card or virtual credit card using Blur by Abine. But today, we'll cover how to create a Blur masked card using the Blur desktop browser extension when visiting a third-party website. And for this example, I'm using bestbuy.com. To learn how to create a Blur masked card using the Blur web app, check out this other video. To begin, be sure to install the Blur desktop browser extension for your desktop internet browser. To double check if you have the extension installed, look for the Blur icon in your browser toolbar. Now, as you can see here, I'm reaching the final stages of an online order with bestbuy.com. And my total is $127.49. Now with the Blur extension installed, once I click into the credit card field, I'll see a Blur pop-up panel. Simply click New Masked Card, specify how much you're going to spend here, confirm the amount that you'll be charged, and then wait for Blur to finish creating the masked card for you. Once Blur finishes creating the masked card for you, you can actually use Blur to autofill the new virtual credit card information into the online form. Once Blur's autofilled the new masked card information into the online form with bestbuy.com, complete your online order as normal, and then you're all set. That's all we have time for today. Reach out to us via email at blur-support@getabine.com if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for our next video tutorial.